In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bulk listing on Amazon. We'll walk through the core flow inside Amazon Seller Central that you'll reuse when listing many products so you can work faster with fewer mistakes and keep your catalog consistent. First, log into your Seller Central account. From the top menu, open Inventory, then select Add a Product. On the next page, choose Create a New Listing. This opens the standard listing form, and everything you enter here becomes the foundation of the product page customers will see. Begin filling in the product details carefully. Pick the most accurate category so your item appears in relevant searches and meets category-specific requirements. Enter a clear, benefits-focused title that follows Amazon-style guidelines, and add your brand name exactly as it appears on the product and packaging. Provide a unique SKU you can track internally, set your price, and confirm your fulfillment method. If your product has an identifier such as a UPC or EAN, enter it now to prevent listing errors. Use the key product features to summarize the top benefits in concise lines, and write a product description that answers common customer questions. Keep language consistent, use standard units, and highlight what makes your item stand out. If you sell variations, like size or color, define them in the variations section so shoppers can choose options on one page. When available, complete backend fields such as search terms to improve discoverability, and enter accurate package dimensions and weight, especially important if you use fulfillment by Amazon. Once the core details are in, scroll to the Images section. Click Upload to add your main image first. Your primary photo should be on a pure white background, show only the product for sale, and fill most of the frame. For crisp zoom, aim for at least 1000 pixels on the longest side, sRGB color, and a square aspect ratio when possible. Then add additional images that demonstrate scale, key features, and important angles. Lifestyle photos and simple infographics can help customers understand the product quickly as long as they follow Amazon's content guidelines. Name your files clearly so you can keep versions organized across multiple listings. When everything looks right, click Save and Finish. The system may take a few minutes to process your images and attributes. If you see a notice about missing required fields,